Hi everyone, it's Ben Dunnett here from musictheoryacademy.com. In this lesson, we're going to have a look at binary form. And we're going to ask this question: what is binary form? We're going to look at the two types of binary form that you mainly come across. And then finally, we're going to look at composing in binary form. And I'm going to give you an example that you can listen to hear binary form in action. So firstly, what is binary form? Well, binary form is a piece of music that is divided into two sections that we call A and B. And the key thing about the difference between these two sections is that there is some form of contrast. So A is different from B. Now, usually this contrast is to do with a key change. So A will be in one key, B will be in another key. But there might also be other changes as well. So different melodic material or different harmonic material. But there is some form of contrast between the A section and the B section. Now, there are two types of binary form that you'll probably come across. The first is simple binary form, and that's what we've just outlined. There's an A section which is usually in a major key and a B section in the dominant key. So if the A section's in C major, you'll then move into a B section that's in G major, because that's the dominant key. It may also be an A section might be in a minor key and then move into the B section in the relative major key. So if we start in A minor, then the B section will be in C major, because that's the relative major key. So that's simple binary form. And that first really became popular in the Baroque period between 1600 and 1750. So that's simple binary form. Second type of binary form that you'll come across is called rounded binary form. Now in this rounded binary form, you have an A section, and then you have this second section, which is B, and then with a little a. And what that means is that part of section A is repeated after section B. So you've got your section A, your section B, and then a little bit of what's gone before in section A is repeated after that section B. Now this became popular a little bit later on in the next period, the classical period between 1750 to 1820. Okay, and you can see how really it's a development of binary form, and it's almost ternary form because it's almost ABA, but not quite. So two types of binary form: simple binary form and rounded binary form. So if we're going to compose using a binary form, what do we need? You need a clear structure. Okay, you need this A-B structure. You need some contrast between your A section and your B section. Ideally, can you put it in a different key, either to the dominant or to the relative minor? Here's a little piece that I've written that you can have a listen to, and you can see a binary form in action. You'll see the A section that's highlighted in red. I've written that in A minor, and then the B section, it moves into C major. Notice also that there's a change in dynamics. It's quite quiet at the beginning with piano, and then it goes to mezzo forte. And there's also different melody material in that B section, but it's all built on this contrast between the A section and the B section from A minor to C major. Have a listen to this and see what you think. So what have we learnt today? We've learnt what is binary form. Binary form is a piece of music that is in two sections that contrast with each other, the A section and the B section. We've learnt that there's two main types of binary form that you'll come across: simple binary form and rounded binary form. Simple binary form from the Baroque period, rounded binary form from the classical period. And we've also looked at how you can compose in binary form as long as you use this clear sense of contrast between the A section and the B section. Hope you found that helpful. If you click on the link below and head over to musictheoryacademy.com, I've got more examples of binary form for you to have a listen to and to enjoy, and hopefully that will help you in your musical journey.